What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon or good evening, depending on where you are, obviously. And welcome to this video and this update on Fantom and the FTM coin, which I wanted to do today because I covered it yesterday, in which I said that I still believe that we would be able to break above 42 cents somewhere soon and then get up to our price target around 45 and 46 cents, which is technically what we have done. But practically we have also gone a little bit higher towards this next resistance level, this huge one between 49 cents and 51 cents. But obviously the main level there is 50 cents. A strong psychological level, but also historically it's a key level. All right, it's perhaps a little bit less strong than something like 60 and 55 cents. But it's a hell of a psychological level. So we have to talk about that, and just in general we have to update Fantom, because what's going on? Fantom is hugely bullish, where we're up 20%, which for a top 50 coin is a lot. Volume is really high compared to the market cap, but also in general, and that's, to be honest, it looks kind of, even though I like Fantom a lot, and I like the way they are going with their network and just their focus on DeFi in 2023, I think this movement today is a little bit shady. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, there's really nothing you can say. Most of it is coming from credible sources. It's nicely distributed. So at first glance, there's really nothing worrying about this move. I mean, if you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we have had some big candles, but it could just be institutions buying in, right? It's all about how you. It's all about perception. And in the end, I did expect a bullish breakout, so maybe this is just technical, but it does worry me a little bit if you see moves like these. So yeah, let's get into it. Some fundamentals regarding Fantom right now. You can see that the total value locked is doing great. Daily active addresses is not necessarily doing well. Daily transactions neither, but yeah, nothing to worry about. The total value lock really is the most important measure, and that's going up. It's up about 25% year to date. And technically we're very bullish. I mean, we have just gotten a bullish breakout above this level right here at around 46 cents. The main level really is between yeah, let's say 44 cents, I would argue. 44 cents and 46 cents. There's just I just extended it because there's some historical value to 43 as well, but this is really the main level. And we've broken above that. So now we're going to test 50 cents. I think we can get to 50 cents at 51 cents. But to be honest, breaking that and getting to 55 cents, which would be my next price target, is a lot more difficult. I think initially what we'll do is we'll get up to 50 cents and then find resistance and drop back down towards 46 and 45 cents. And then I actually do think we can break above 50 cents. But what we would need to see for that is strong momentum in the markets. And what I mean with strong momentum in the markets is Bitcoin moving up towards 25,000. It's now at 23,000. If Bitcoin is actually able to get up to 24,000 and hold those levels, and preferably even try to touch 25,000, I think Fantom is strong enough to follow suit, break above 50 cents, even though it's a huge resistance level, and get up to 55 cents. But if that does not happen, if we do not get that bullish momentum from the markets, unfortunately, I don't think we'll be able to break 50 cents. And I don't think we'll be able to, well, depending on the news, but I cannot guarantee that we'll do it next week, because next week we got the interest rates coming out from the Federal Reserve. That's huge fundamental news. And I cannot predict that necessarily. All right, so if I think this initial part is what's going to happen, we'll drop down to 46, 45 cents, hold that as a support. But if there's no new bullish momentum coming from the markets, what will slowly happen is that we'll slowly probably drop down to 42 cents again. And from there, we'll see what next week has to give us in terms of fundamentals. So that's my take on Fantom for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.